This tutorial will show you how to execute batch invoicing in Assistance PSA. Batch invoicing can be found in two places. In the Projects module, when you go to Projects, you will see the icon in the top ribbon bar. Or, in the Sales module, when you go to Invoices, you will also see the icon in the top bar of the screen. Now let's see how this works. Click the functionality. PSA will open up a new window. The first field, Project Type, will require that you select what type of projects you wish to invoice. PSA will support different types of batch invoicing: time and material, but also recurring, for your maintenance contracts and your subscription fees, for example. And finally, installments, for those specific milestone contracts. Select time and material. The next field will define the invoicing period. By default, PSA will invoice up until the last day of the previous week, but you can change the period via the drop-down calendar. The invoice date will display today's date. Again, you can change it if need be. Because you have selected time and material, PSA will automatically include the billable expenses of your projects. If you only want to bill your hours, simply uncheck the box. This is not the case here. Leave the box checked. Now click the Refresh button. PSA will bring you all the projects ready to be invoiced within the period defined by you. Let's take a look at the table below. Each line will give you the project number and name, account, and amounts to be invoiced for each project. All you need to do now is check the projects you wish to invoice. You can select all of them, or just a few. Once you are done, simply click OK. All your invoices will now be automatically created. Now close the window. In the Invoice entity of the Sales module, refresh your screen. Your newly created invoices will appear, and you will also see their batch number. Click the first invoice. In the next screen, you will see its details. In the General section, you will find the following fields. This number will identify your invoice until the invoice number below is assigned to your document. And PSA will only generate this number when the invoice is approved. By default, PSA will display the project's name, but you can change it if need be. The last fields of the General section have been carried over from the project. Leave the information as is. In the next section, you will find the details of your line items. And finally, the section right below will display the totals of your invoice. You do not have to make any changes to this invoice. Close the window. You have generated multiple invoices via the batch invoicing functionality of Assistance PSA. Your next step is to go in Assistance PSA and do the corresponding exercise in the step-by-step guide, The Fundamentals.